Today's focus is about helping you as an Amazon seller around what I'm calling the 5 Ps of e-commerce. Now, the 5 Ps of e-commerce is a framework for you in order to concentrate your area of management so that you can develop a successful business. I've built a successful 6-figure business with very little effort per week. I've used these principles and this framework in order to plan for my business, in order to measure my success, and to do all the steps in between so that I'm able to support me and my family. So let's talk about the 5 Ps for a second here. So the first one's planning. Really, it starts with having a goal in mind. So you plan, you say, I want to make $1 million. I have to get this kind of products. I have to buy it from these vendors. I need to get it to the customer through Amazon FBA, Etsy, all these different channels I want to sell it on. And lastly, I need to say, once I've made those sales, did I make enough money to support my goals? If not, either my goals need to change or something along the way else has to change. But at least this gives you the loop. It gives you the 5-point cycle so you can continually improve and continually enhance and reach a goal that is attainable for you and your business. Let's explore a couple of these just really quickly here. So under the planning here, I think it's really important for you to create a vision for yourself. Where you want to go, what you want to do, why am I doing this? What's my motivation? Is it to provide for my family? Is it to have satisfaction in attaining goals? What is that? Decide what that is and figure out in, say, 3 to 5 years, what does your life look like? And that's the vision for yourself. That's the vision for your goals. That's the vision for your business. In order to get there, it's going to cost this much money. It's going to take me this much time. I need to do this, that, and the other. So you need to start planning for that now. You need to figure out, if I want to have a $80,000 boat, all right, well, if it's going to take me 4 years to get there, that's $20,000 a year. Break it down. You can figure out how much money you need per year or how much you need as a down payment so you can get a loan to pay for that. But you don't want to get a loan unless you can pay for it. So make a plan. Set the goals. From there, in order to support that plan, in order to achieve those plans, you need to start figuring out, how am I sourcing my products? What am I buying? What brands do I need to source? What are the limitations? What kind of compliance requirements do I need to consider? You need to source brands. You need to source potential opportunities so you can bring these into your business and continually keep this process evergreen. Once you've made a product, decision, it's really the next step is going to be pulling the trigger and buying it, which is this procurement step. Once you buy it, you got to deal with all sorts of supplier data. You got to build a relationship with your supplier. You need to actually buy it, and so then you're committing cash. So now you're on the hook. Now that you've made that decision, everything else has to work out very seamlessly. So seamlessly means you need to have a good approach on placement. So you're placing that product before the customer so they can purchase it from you. FBA inbound shipments. You need to do some prep work. You need to ship things. You need to deal with warehouse management. You need to handle distribution exceptions, all these damaged goods, late deliveries, missing quantities. These things are important because at the end of the day, all of that contributes into your profitability. By trusting your instrumentation, building KPIs, understanding what is important for your business, gross margin, cost of goods, net margin, all these different words may not mean much to you today, but you're going to have to get there. And that's the whole point of this, is so that you can come back and say, I wanted that $80,000 boat in 4 years, therefore I need $20,000 this year and $20,000 next year. This is how I'm going to get there. That's the 5 Ps of e-commerce. I hope you like this. Hope this is something that you can see using in your business. If you like this, hit that bell, subscribe, like, share it. Would be grateful for me in this channel.